Alright, I did a short of us having to, all the stuff that's in our way, we had to move. We went to sweep the floor, but there was a bunch of metal screws and metal pieces laying in the floor. And we were afraid if we swept them, that it would scratch the floor. So by hand, we're picking up the metal pieces. Because we don't want to scratch the floor, we don't want to get blamed for anything, but we're going to sweep the dust and stuff up. I just, wanted documentation that we did not freaking sweep any metal or throw any screws. I mean, there's screws and stuff all over the floor. I'm surprised people haven't stepped on them and scratched it already. Not us, just other people in here. I would never leave screws and stuff like this in the floor of customers' homes. Alright, I got our laser lined up to the center there. The floor is shaky, but anyway, as you can see, cabinets rise there. And then they rise there. Fairly close there. So, not level, but not crazy bad. Alright, we finished the job. I don't remember how much I videoed here. It's been a long week. I was here, always at the shop till late last night, and then back at it this morning, and we've been hard at it, so it's easy to lose track. But after we cleaned up all the stuff, started carrying the tops in. It wasn't too awful bad. It was a bit out of level on this one. I had to shim it up a bit. I think we used trans white silicone on the bottom. I ended up using trans gray from my backsplash to my counter. AJ said he used trans white on his. It's a 60/40 sink. I'll go back around to it. Of course, we made sure we had our 30 inches for our cooktop right here. Had to pop this one in the wall a little bit. This is the 60/40 sink here. Single hole faucet. Dishwasher brackets installed. Swept the floor up. We got a couple fingerprints right here. Anytime you're working with white cabinets, you always got to make sure that you get your fingerprints off. I had a couple on this one when I put the drawer back in, but I wiped them off. There's still a little smudge here. We'll have to go check the cabinets in the bathroom as well. We always leave an aftercare sheets and some cards and some pens. Don't spray alcohol on the cabinet.
I was going to spray on the...
Don't use alcohol on the cabinets. In here. Melissa called the contractor and they asked us to just pull this piece of trim off. And then I went ahead and cut these down. I'm guessing they'll run that on a table saw or something and just pop that small piece back in there. That's what I would do. I think Tony mounted the sink in this one. I started the faucet hole for AJ. AJ finished drilling it, and then AJ worked on this one. Run silicone underneath, and have something right there. It's good to look at your tops at an angle across the light. That way you can see any smudges or anything that's on them. It's supposed to be a single hole faucet in here as well. Left a few razors and some pieces of cardboard in the window. You always want to make sure you get this stuff out. It's good to always do a walkthrough afterwards to see if you or your guys miss anything. Also to make sure you get all your tools. It's at least once a week I got a customer calling saying we left the tool or bringing us the tool back. I gotta come back in and get my shirt and my alcohol bottle and soda bottle and my drinks and stuff. But I wanted to show you guys the path we had to carry it in. I don't know if the video can show you, but this hill is not flat. So it was a little difficult pushing the cart up here, even walking up here, and also getting the tops out of the trailer, but we got it. So that's it, guys. I appreciate everybody watching, and I'm going to get the rest of my stuff and get out of here, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Looked under the sink in the kitchen, and there's sludge and dust from the faucet hole in here. And I also noticed that there's trash from our sink over here. We need to get up. Anything that's ours, we need to get up and out of the way.
I'm sorry, I didn't know that it was over there.
Huh?
I said, I'm sorry, I didn't know it was over there.
It's alright. I'm just making a video. I think that's it. Everything that's ours. So they got it cleaned up. Looks good now.